My choice to make a piece of generative art was to make the mandala of the flower of life, with the change that I chose to make the colors come from pink to purple, with the tool to make the colors change at a random range from 1 to 4. The process that I followed was to create variables, 3 of them, circles, x and y. So first I set the initial point, and then I set the pen color to the chosen one, that is pink, that is right here, and I set the pen size to 0.5 to make it thinner and the circles easier to distinguish. I set the fill ghosting to 100 so that the circles would be completely transparent and I could see the ones overlapping. I set the value of the first variable x to -100, y to 70, and circles to 5, and I hid the variables so that they wouldn't appear over here. Next, I created 2 different loops, one to repeat 4 times and one to repeat 5 times. In the first one, I created another loop inside that says circles, and on the second one, another loop inside that also says circles. In both loops, they're identical. The only thing that changes is the values of y, that over here is 15 and over here is -15, and circles that here is 1 and over here is -1, so that over here on the first loop it's going to be climbing, and on the second loop it's going to be decreasing. And for circles, there's going to be more circles in each row, and on the second loop there's going to be less circles in each row, so it will create the shape of an hexagon. The process was very interesting for me because it's the first time I used so many variables in Scribble, and also it was pretty hard to figure out how to change the x and y